we gain. Our souls tonight, we are losing this fight. Oh, our souls tonight is no one on our side who's gonna help.
What is up, guys? Josh Boy here, and today, indeed, from the title of this video, you know I am doing a Q&A. So, I'm excited. Let's get on started. If you don't know what a Q&A is, I can't help you there, but yeah, I'm doing a Q&A. Let's do it. Let's start. Now, the song to my intro, I do not actually know by heart, but I think it's something Evolve. I'll put it in the description if I find it. But yeah, next question. Yes, I actually do make money. And people want to say how much. I'm not going to say how much, but it's not a lot. Don't worry about it. I'm not like doing crazy. But yeah, it's not a lot, but I do make money. It's not that I don't like anything about GTA, it's just all the strippers and all that stuff. I'd play it, but I would never go to the strip club or anything, and my parents think I'm just gonna go to the strip club and do all that nasty stuff. So yeah. Now how you get your channel out is, before you upload it, you can actually go to tags and just put a bunch of tags so your channel at least gets out into the real world and not in this little new YouTuber box. But yeah, that's how you can do it. Now, I would want to be, I wouldn't want to live forever. So I would want to be attractive and die because I want to go to heaven. I do not like anime at all. I haven't watched it, and if the Avatar Airbender is anime, then the Avatar or that guy would be my favorite. What's my favorite superhero in DC? My favorite superhero would have to be Flash in DC, and in Marvel, it would have to be Spider-Man. Oh, I do not like a girl in my class. Well, I like a girl right now. No names. My favorite guy in the group, it all depends what group you're talking about, so I can't exactly answer that question. My favorite animal would have to be a rabbit, because I love rabbits. I'm sadly allergic to rabbits, but I do love rabbits. Always have, always will. I love rabbits. I love you. Next Chancho I know would have to be Matthew Johnson, Nathan, and Matthew R. And those are the biggest Chanchos I know besides my brother and everybody else I hang out with.